and he's heading straight toward us.
Oh my
Oh my god. That was so funny. My eyes are watering.
Look at Ryan.
He's just gonna stop. Oh, wait. It's all like smooth. Oh, that's nice. Kelly comes straight toward me.
Okay, that didn't work too well. Becky, and what is